What's up, Polkadot coin holders? Many congratulations, my brothers. I have two good news for all Polkadot coin holders because, my brothers, the price is suddenly starting moving upward, and I think it's really good news for all of you, my friend. So, my friends, please, before I get started this video, I have one request for all my viewers, my subscribers, to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification, because if you are just and only subscribe this channel, you will earn a lot of money from crypto. My brother, this time, as you can see here, the Polkadot price will increasing 42.51%, and definitely 1.73% the price is increasing just and only, as you can see here, at the end of month. So many congratulations, my brothers, for this time. You can see, my friend, this time all currencies were very badly dumped down, but Polkadot is pumping up. So therefore, I think this is very good coin, my friend, and especially short-term investors are starting, my friends, holding. So therefore, the price is increasing. The 5th November, the very huge explosion is coming soon, my friends. So many congratulations, my brothers. So this is good news for all of you because all currencies were completely dumped down. But if we check out, my friends, the market cap, so absolutely this is increasing, and our prediction is also, my friend, is going positive. Experts also predicate this coin, my friend. So after this all the reasons, my friend, I found it to after the 5th November, my friend, they will suddenly moving upward and they will give you the very good profit. So the very huge explosion is coming soon. I think you will need to don't miss this chance to get a profit, because, my friend, in the 1st November the price will slowly moving upward, but in the 5th November, my friend, I hope they will suddenly starting moving upward and completely, my friend, the price will pumps up. So therefore, if we check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart, I think here is something very special for all of you. But kindly holders, please subscribe this channel. I repeat, to subscribe this channel if you want to earn money from crypto. My brothers, here, as you can see here, the chart is loading. So my friend, absolutely the last 24-hour chart, you can see 1.46%, my friends, they will get a profit. So I think, my friend, absolutely they will get a profit 1.46%. so I think this is very good coin, and for short-term investors this is very good news to my friends. They are starting holding, my friends. So please, as you can see, my friend, this time I'm going to share you can see, my friend, they will completely dumps down from resistance line, but as you can see, my friend, in the last point they will again, you can see here, hit the resistance line and starting moving upward. So therefore, I will notify you to this time all currencies have dumped down, so don't worry, this is temporary dumps, and especially when short-term investors starting selling, so the coin is dumps down. So therefore, this is temporary dumps, don't focus on this. I hope they will recover it and get a very good profit in upcoming days. See you next time, Polkadot coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want to earn money from crypto. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.